Local animal shelters are filling up after many pets were displaced from the March tornadoes. Riley Birdwell spoke with a woman who lost her home in the tornado after she had just adopted from the Jacksonville Animal Shelter. Riley, you went there today and you saw the problems that exist firsthand.
That's right, Bob. The shelter was full before, but following the tornado, they have taken on almost 30 dogs. Tammy Newland says that recently she adopted a dog of her own, and she says that it broke her heart to see all the furry friends who have been yet to have been reunited with their families.
Yeah, we're maxed out. We're busting at the seams.
Single and double crates tail to tail, inside, outside, and in personal office spaces.
You gotta go potty, she'll whimper at you.
The Jacksonville Animal Shelter has dogs in every area they can fit.
And there's so many up here that are risking their lives right now. So yeah, there's a dire need to get up here and get these animals.
Jamie Parker is the supervisor at the animal shelter, and she says they are always full. But since the tornado, they have taken in more paws than they can fit.
We probably took in 20, 25 dogs since the tornado.
Tammy Newman adopted from the shelter just before the tornado hit.
And she thinks she's gonna drive.
And she says there's nothing better than being able to help clear space for other pets displaced.
It feels great to be able to get a dog out of there and open another room for another dog.
Jamie Parker says since they are at the end of their leash, she's left with one choice.
I'm not going to be able to hold on. I'm going to have to start adopting them out because we just don't have the space, and we still have dogs coming in on a daily basis.
Just get out and adopt. That's the most important thing.
Jamie Parker says they are going to be posting all the animals that have been taken in since the tornado on Facebook. So if you're still missing a pet, take a look there. And if you're just looking for a furry friend, they encourage everyone to come out and visit. Reporting in studio, I'm Riley Birdwell. Back to you, Bob.